Hello? Sorry, I can't come to the phone right now. I'm in Korea. Please leave a message.
Hi, we're at Taeyang. We're at Taeyang's concert. Today is 36 degrees and we're at Taeyang in the city. Crazy hot. Oh, bye. Taeyang wrapped up. He was amazing.
It was so good.
So sad. Really good at dancing. Love you.
Mustard. No.
Tomato.
I got cheese and chicken.
Sausage?
Yeah.
Oh, me too.
Oh, okay.
We got the same thing. Hello, I have an exciting purchase. So I got my first Garmin. Woo! Yeah, I bought it for myself as a end of year / birthday / Christmas present. It's one of the first big purchases for my exercising hobby activity that I do. So I'm pretty excited. I did a bit of research and searched the market of what are some good options, and it was quite tough actually. So I put it off for quite a while, and then settled on the Garmin. They're quite knowledgeable, and I feel like they have a lot of cool features for sports that I like to do, so swimming and lifting and also running. So they're like a concentrated sports focused brand, so I chose that. That's the reason why I chose the Garmin over an Apple Watch. And yeah, hopefully it helps me improve on a lot of my fitness activities. I'm able to track a lot of my program and the stuff that I do. Not that I have a program, but if I ever wanted to, and just even if I don't have a set program, I do try to exercise regularly. So being able to track that and see what I do and how I do it would be a really cool thing. So I'm excited to see how it helps me. Okay, I put on my glasses because I couldn't see, but let's do an unboxing together. Whoa! She's so pretty. Yeah. I got the ivory tone. Oh, it's really light. I like the fact that it has so many like bezels. Okay, let's go. Then I can do like Apple Pay. Boop, boop, and like check my messages. Make sure to stretch before every run. Even if it's just a quick and simple one, I find that I always feel infinitely better once I stretch and run rather than just running. Alright, off we go. 1k, 2k, 3k, 5k, 10k. Been going very slow. I can feel a blister forming. 20. I have a stitch and a massive blister, so everything's in pain. 21, 22, 23 kilometers. 1 more K to go. 22.2. Let's go. 2.3, 2.5, 22.7, 23.7, 23.9, 24 kilometers. Sorry.
잠깐만.
진짜 뜨겁겠다. 괜찮아?
아니, 일단 이거 잠깐만 이거.
미안하다.
조심해.
아.
이게 더 중요한 거.
맛있다. 자, 하나, 둘, 셋.
생일 축하합니다. 오늘 생일 축하합니다. It's like melting. Oh my god.
자, 감사합니다.
It's gonna be a lot of wax.
Delicious.
Yeah, it's wax flavored.
I left the house in such a hurry, so didn't have time to dry my hair. Today is Wednesday. I think it's around 8:30. I am heading to a workout class. I signed up to a local CrossFit gym because it's just something I wanted to try. So yeah, get ready with me. I'm just gonna do like no makeup and just basic skincare before I head. It's been I think 2 or 3 days since I've come to Korea. Yeah, I've just been catching up with family, walking around, seeing the local spots near where my grandparents are staying. And then today I thought I'd just try something that I've never tried before. And it's exciting and a good way to meet people in Korea because I don't really have that many friends since I've never lived here before, like long term. So yeah, it should be fun. I'm kind of nervous. I've never done CrossFit, and usually I really hate working out with my glasses, but I have no choice. So yeah, glasses it is. And then my skin's been really bad recently, so not feeling super confident, but it is what it is. It's just a local one, so I think a 20-minute walk from my 30-minute walk, which is kind of far, considered far in Korea because it's a pretty small space, but to me, it's pretty local. We'll see how I get my ass whooped today. Gonna head off now. Need to bundle up because it's winter here in Korea.
여기는 그 크림 두른빵이 이거 봐. 어떨 때 차이가.
So many layers. Finished my CrossFit class. It was so tough, but really fun. I did some movements that I wouldn't try in the gym. Yeah, more plyometric style, body weight, handstand sort of stuff. And usually when I go to the gym, I like incorporating like more athletic movements like box jumps. So we did some of that, so that's really good. My main goal was actually to make some friends or meet some more people at the class, but since it's at 9:30, it's a bit difficult because I guess everyone's working on a Wednesday morning.
아빠가 그 며칠 만나게 됐어?
Wow.
그렇다 진짜 이거. 겁나 맛있다. Bruh.
We are at Standard Bread. My dad got the olive bread.
Wow.
Wow. I got the corn bread.
Oh.
Wow. 소보로 같아 위에는. 먹어봐. Wow. I got the iced long black. It seems to be maybe from a barista that's worked in Australia because yeah, it's labelled as the iced long black and normally they call it Americano in Korea. I would recommend to come with a lot of people because yeah, one loaf of bread is quite a lot for one person.
고기 봐 이거.
Came to a hole in the wall sort of place in Chungno that my dad recommended. Apparently they're known for their kimchi jjigae, but he said that their omelets are really good. Fluffy하네.
그릇 갖고 오면 이거
I got the katsu set, cheese, mozzarella, salad, rice, and then a little bit of udon, and then rice cakes as dessert. Now we're gonna get ice cream to finish off the night. 뭔데?
깨져.
We got vanilla ice cream. Yeah.
계란이랑 뭐지? 노들 같은.
Then ketchup, side dishes, and a bit of appetizer. We got LA kid. 이게 뭐지?
갈비.
LA 갈비?
그냥 갈비.
아, 그냥 갈비? and 불고기. 전. 떡국 in a steel pot. My dad got the same too. Damn, son. And then we got plum juice.
네네.
남녀 가서 그거 사야 돼, 엄마.
We've got a lot of leaves and mushrooms, some bean sprouts, and then potatoes.
어때요? 줄여. 붙었어, 줄여.
알았어. 그러니까 야. 좀 잘라봐.
또 마이크라 그러면.
그냥 먹을게. 자, 성민이의
많이 타, 조금 타. 별로 안 탔어. 한번 한번 섞어 먹어 누나가. 먼저 안 뜨고 먹어. 여기 올려놓고. 술 마시.
알아야 이런 거. 이건 박동치. 이게 제대로 꽂아.
나는 시간이 빨리 쓰면 더 많이 쓰는 건 줄 알고.
야, 저 봐라. 엄마가 얘기했지. 아니야, you can do it. 아니야, 무게를 못 이기게 해놨어. 쟤는 벌써 성민이가 딱 제대로 잡았는데도. 저봐, 좋치잖아. 가. 그러면 수연이 좋. 기념이다. 나 건졌다. 잘 됐다. 5,000원 벌었다. 수연이 줘. 와, 야 이거 귀한 거다 수연아. 갖고 가라.
고마워.
대박이야. 우리 성민이 되게 잘해.